Hello students, in this video we are going to solve this problem. We are going to find values of k if the equations have same roots. These two equations are given and these two equations are having same roots. We should find the value of k. Very important concept. Okay, so see, first thing, if the equation is having same roots, discriminant, that is b square minus 4ac should be equal to 0. Right, we have learned this in one of our previous videos. Let us compare this with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Okay, what is the value of a? It is equal to 2. What is the value of b? It is equal to k, and c is equal to 3. See, some students will write a as 2x square. No, x square is x square here. A is 2. Here x is x, b is k, c is 3. Okay. Now given that it has two same roots, which means b square minus 4ac should be equal to 0. Right. B square minus 4ac should be equal to 0. Let us substitute the values of a, b, c in this and find the value of k. B is k square, right? B square is k square. 4 into a into 3 is equal to 0. Now this is k square. Alright, 4 or 4 2s are 8, 8 3s is 24. Okay, k square minus 24. So k square will be equal to 24. Minus 24 goes on the other side, becomes plus. We need to find the value of k. Square goes on the other side, becomes plus minus root 24. Okay. Alright, I hope you understood this. So we can write 24 root 24 in simplified form also. See, 24 is 12, 6, 2, 3, 3 1s are right. So root 24 we can write it as 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. 2 2s is 4, 4 2s is 8, 8 3s is 24. Now see, 2 is coming 3 times here, that 1 2 3, but this 2 is coming 2 times, so we can write it outside 1 time, because this 2 2s will be actually equal to 4. We know root 4 is equal to 2, but this one is not having pairs. 2 3s will be 6. Okay, so 24 or root 24 we can write it as 2 root 6. So what is the value of k now? Plus 2 root 6 and minus 2 root 6. Okay, in this place, in the place of k, if we write plus 2 root 6 or minus 2 root 6 and find the zeros or find the roots, we'll have two same roots. Okay, so the value of k is plus minus 2 root 6, or you can write plus minus root 24 also. Okay, let us solve the other problem. The next one is k into x brackets x minus 2 plus 6 equal to 0, and k is not equal to 0. Okay, see, if k is equal to 0, what will happen? This will become 0 into x, x minus 2 plus 6 is equal to 0. This whole part will become 0. 0 into x is 0. 0 into x minus 2 will also be equal to 0. So 6 is equal to 0 will make no sense, right? So k value is not 0. It is given. Okay, let us simplify this and write this in the standard form. Kx into x is kx square. Kx into 2 is minus 2kx plus 6 is equal to 0. If you compare this with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, a value is equal to how much? K. B value, see, b value is equal to minus 2k and c will be equal to plus 6. Okay, we need to find the discriminant. Oh no, sorry, we need to compare discriminant with 0, because two same roots are given, right? When the roots are same, b square minus 4ac will be equal to 0. So b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. So this is minus 2 whole square minus 4 into k into c is 6 is equal to 0. Square is for minus, so it will become plus. Square is for 2, so it will become 2 square 4. square is for k, so this will become k square minus 6 4s are 24k equal to 0. Okay, or let us keep this 4k and 6 as it is. 4 into k into 6 is equal to 0. Now from this two terms, from this and this, what can we take common? We can take 4k common. Here it is 4k into k, right? So if you take 4k common, here k will be left, and if you take 4k common here, 6 will be left, equal to 0. We have two linear equations now. So 4k is equal to 0 and k minus 6 is equal to 0. K is equal to 4 goes on the other side, 0 by 4, k is equal to 0, or k is equal to 6 goes on the other side, becomes plus 6, right? Minus 6 goes on the other side, becomes plus 6. But it is clearly mentioned in the question that k is not equal to 0. Okay, so what is the value of k? It is equal to 6. Alright. So I hope you understood this concept. Thank you so much for watching the video.